Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related content here on my YouTube channel about 3-4ish times a week. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we're actually doing a review of the new Beautybay Dark Fantasy palette. Now this palette is actually called their holiday collection. There's some liquid eyeshadows, some brushes that come along with this collection. However, I'm a bit unsure because doesn't this remind you of Halloween? And we are coming up to Halloween, but it's called their holiday collection, so it must be their Christmas collection. I'm hoping they come out with a Christmas collection, because last year I absolutely loved the Christmas palettes because they came out with 2 palettes, a set of 3 lipsticks. Loved them, adored them. Might use one of those lipsticks in today's video, but this is what the palette looks like, so let's just dive straight into it. So these retail for £15, but you can get a discount code that's always flying around for Beautybay. So I did find one, I think I got it for £12, but the palette is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. I love that there's some purples and greens in there and like some browns and neutrals. I absolutely love a palette that has purples, greens. I wish there was some oranges and I would be happy, but it does scream like that it has some nice like autumnal shades in there. So let's just get into the swatches. So I have swatched them on my hand, and if this clip ain't great because like they're swatched over here as well, I did just film a little clip on my phone and I'll insert it now. But these are gorgeous. They're absolutely stunning. Every single one of these shades swatched amazingly, like literally not patchy at all, because sometimes you'll see when I swatch there'll be like a little fingerprint where I've started to go up and down. There is no patches whatsoever. I'm loving the shimmer formulas. I'm loving the matte formulas. Shimmers are a couple of different formulas than what I'm used to. Well, not what I'm used to. I mean, like there's different formulas in there than just one formula of shimmer. So they are gorgeous. Like, and I love the matte, like maroon kind of shade here. So yeah, let's just go and put some eye base on and get ready for this look. Because I want to use the black and I really want to perfect the blending of the black, because sometimes when I rewatch my footage the black's not as blended as I would like. I'm going to start with one eye just so that the base doesn't crease. I am using my Beautybay eye base in the shade 3. I use this in every video, so if you ever wonder about the base I use, it's that. So we are going to go in with the shade Dark Matter first. Oh, just using a Peaches and Cream PC22. One of my favourite brushes. Peaches and Creams do amazing brushes. The black is lovely, like it's very pigmented. I just want to make sure I blend it out properly. And then the next shade I'm going to take is Reality. I kind of know where I'm going with this look. I think I want to go more on the reddy side. That is very pigmented. And I'm kind of just going to layer it on like this, because I just want it to blend properly, and then bring it in the inner corner. That was a big mistake, this brush. It's a bit too big for what I want. I'm not blending just yet, we're just kind of packing on the colour. Then I'm going to take a PC38 and we're going to go in with the shade Algorithm, which is this like warmish brown here. Okay, that is all the lids colours. I'm just going to go in and blend them all singly, and maybe add some more colour if I need to. That maroon has gone like purple. I love it. Well, that was fun to blend out. I have done the other eye, and let's go in with the shade. Now, I was thinking Distortion, but this has gone a bit more like burgundy. So I'm wondering, should we go in with Nightmare, this purple here? I think it will look better. So let's try that. Okay, this shade is very crumbly. It's lovely and gorgeous, but it is the most crumbly shade I have used ever. Like, I am glad I haven't put a primer on yet. Can you just see all of that? I'm just going to take the brush with the black on and just blend it into that purple, but wow, that is so crumbly. Let me just do my other eye and come back. So I have finished my eyes. I am very, very impressed. I'm not happy with the purple shimmer. Like, I'm not happy with how crumbly it was. I've never had that happen with a Beautybay palette, so I'm unsure why that happened today. It is really, really nice. Like, I'm loving the eyes. I like this side better than I like this side, which is weird. I usually like this side better. But yeah, I'm just going to put on my base and then I'll come back and we can do our final thoughts together. So I'll be right back. I feel like this video is extremely short. I'm so sorry. Base is on. I haven't actually put highlight on, which is not me. But I wanted to do lips with you. I've put the vintage lip liner from obviously Beautybay on. And then I thought, why don't I put one of the lipsticks on? So this is Southside, which actually has glitter all around the edges, and I've actually seen that they've got a shade called Southside on their website, so it might just be the same shade but maybe without the glitter. So let's put this on. See, ain't that nice? I like that shade a lot. Now let's do some inner corner and brow bone highlight. I feel like with a purple look you have to go icy, but icy's just not me, is it? So I'm gonna go in with this gold up here called Transmission. I love this eye. I put foundation over here, so I had to blend it out again, and yeah, this eye is just don't like it. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. I love that highlight. That is stunning. I need a highlight for my face. I don't know what to wear. You know what? I'm just going to use Colourpop Wisp. Alright, done. This is the finished look. I love this palette. I did it on this side the other way around, so I went light to darkest. I actually prefer darkest to lightest. That worked out so well. The lipstick is gorgeous. On my cheeks I actually put MUA Rouge Punch on. This is one of my favourite blushes. And then I put Revolution Reloaded Matte powders. I've put Translucent and Chestnut as my bronzer. We've got True Match on my face. We've got Honeydew Me Up primer, and then in my waterline we've actually got this Obsession lip eyeliner from the Tiffany collection. This is in the shade Cocktail, I believe, so I just had to put a little bit of purple in there. So I think that's everything. So yeah, I like the palette. I do. I really do. I don't like the fact that that purple was really crumbly. Like, it was too crumbly for my liking. I'm not used to that with Beautybay. Beautybay, oh look, you can see my thing. Beautybay are never that crumbly. Like, their shimmers are usually like so soft. So I was really, really confused. Like, you saw the mess that was under my eye. That is not something that usually happens with Beautybay. But I love the colour story. I love the shimmer to matte ratio. In these palettes, you never have to worry about that. I'm a bit confused how this is their holiday collection, but it feels like it's more of a Halloween collection. Like, just look at the packaging. Yeah, so the colours are nice and they've blended into each other lovely. I would suggest going darkest to lightest, because lightest to darkest, it just, this side just didn't work out with. This side really did. And for the price point, you really can't go wrong. £12 when I got it on offer, and if it does stay in stock, then the sales at Black Friday, that will go down even cheaper. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it's a short one, but yeah, I do like the purple. It's a bit different. I haven't done purple, I don't think, in a little while. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.